Very good morning, everyone. My today's topic is The Wonder Called Sleep, chapter number 7 from 6th class supplementary textbook. Now let us understand the gist of the lesson in Hindi. निंद्रा चेतना रहित विश्राम की स्थिति होती है। दिन भर हमारे द्वारा किए जाने वाले कार्य थकावट पैदा करती है। गहरी नींद हमारे शरीर और मस्तिष्क को आराम देती है। जब हम नींद लेते हैं तब हमारा शरीर थकावट से मुक्त हो जाता है। निद्रा का यह सबसे स्पष्ट लाभ है। नींद के दौरान बहुत सारे बातें हमारे साथ घटित होती रहती है। जब हम जाग जाते हैं तब बहुत सी बातों को भूल जाते हैं। कई बार हमें कोई स्वप्न याद रह जाता है। जिस समय हम गहरी नींद का आस्वादन करते हैं उस समय हमारे मांसपेशियां अधिक से अधिक विश्राम करती हैं। हमारे हृदय की गति मंदतर हो जाती है। उस समय हमारा ब्लड प्रेशर और टेम्परेचर भी कम हो जाता है। मस्तिष्क की गति भी धीमी हो जाती है। हम चेतन मन से कुछ सोच या कर नहीं सकते। ये सारी बातें हमारे जागने पर सामान्य हो जाती है। कई बार हम नींद के दौरान सपना देखते हैं। जागने से पहले हम अपने अधिकतर सपनों को भूल जाते हैं। स्वप्न मस्तिष्क की एक महत्वपूर्ण क्रिया है। यह हमें शोरयुक्त विघ्नों के बीच भी नींद लेने की शक्ति प्रदान करती है। हमारे स्वप्न बहुधा हमारी समस्याओं को उजागर करते हैं। वे संबंधित समस्याओं का हल भी प्रदान करते हैं, परंतु हमें यह बात अवश्य याद रखनी चाहिए, स्वप्न कभी भविष्य नहीं बता सकते हैं। निद्रा में विस्मयकारी शक्तियाँ निहित होती हैं। यह हमें अनजान स्थानों पर ले जाती है। तब हम अपने नज़दीकी तथा प्रियतम व्यक्तियों को भी भूल जाते हैं। नींद मधुरतम तथा सर्वाधिक सामान्य अनुभव है, अतः इसे ठीक ही एक विस्मय कहा गया है। Now let us read the paragraph. We know enough about what sleep is, though we don't know what exactly causes sleep. Sleep is a state of rest and unconscious rest. When we sleep, our body recovers from fatigue caused by the day's activities. After a good sleep and the rest that it gives, we become alert and active again, ready for the normal activities of the day. This paragraph explains that sleep is a state of unconscious rest. Our day's activities cause tiredness. A good sleep provides rest to our body and mind. When we sleep, our body recovers from exertion. This is the most obvious advantage of sleep. Next paragraph. When we wake up in the morning, it is not always possible for us to remember what happened when we were asleep. We may remember a dream, but the rest of our sleep was a kind of darkness in which nothing seems to have taken place. Several things happen to our body while we are sleeping. As we sink deeper into sleep, our muscles relax more and more. Our heartbeat becomes slower. Our temperature and blood pressure go down. The ever active brain also slows down so that we can't think or act consciously, but we dream. When we wake up, our temperature and blood pressure rise to normal. Our heartbeat and breathing also become normal, and we are fully awake and have forgotten most of, if not all, the dreams that we had while sleeping. The above paragraphs explain that many things happen to us during sleep. We forget most of those happenings when we wake up. Sometimes we remember a dream. Our muscles relax more and more when we enjoy a sound sleep. Our heartbeat becomes slower. Our blood pressure and temperature go down then. The brain also slows down. We cannot think or act consciously. These things become normal when we wake up. Next paragraph. What is dream? It is an activity of mind that takes place when we are asleep. Some dreams are probable while others are not. That only means that many of the things that happen in dreams could happen when we are awake. Others could not. Dreams seem to be important for several reasons. One is that a dream can help us to sleep through noise and other disturbances. For example, the alarm clock rings, but our mind causes us to dream that the telephone or doorbell is ringing and that we are awake and answering it. Certain doctors have found that one's dreams often reveal a great deal about one's problems and that, if understood correctly, they can provide a key to the solution of those problems. But we must remember one thing, dreams cannot be used as a way to tell the future. They simply can never tell the future. The above paragraphs explain that sometimes We dream during sleep. We forget most of our dreams by the time we wake up. Dream is an important activity of the mind. It enables us to sleep even through noisy disturbances. Our dreams mostly reveal our problems. They can also provide a solution their related problems. But we must remember one thing, dreams can never tell the future. Sleep is the most common experience, but how many of us really think about the wonder and power of sleep? Many poets have written beautiful poems about sleep. There is one in which the poet is describing the experience of falling asleep. This paragraph explains that sleep has wonderful powers. It transports us into a strange land. We forget even our near and dear ones. Sleep is the sweetest and most common experience, so it is rightly called a wonder. Let us read the poem. I have come to the borders of sleep, the unfathomable deep forest where all must lose their way, however straight or winding soon or late, they cannot choose. There is not any book or face of dearest look that I would not turn from now to go into the unknown. I must enter and live alone, I know not how. Now, I give you some homework questions. In homework questions, I am giving you some word meanings which you have to memorize with their correct spellings. Here are the important points of the lesson which you can note down on your copy. Next one is an activity based on the chapter The Wonder Called Sleep. Here are the following statements on which you have to agree or disagree. First one is sleeping is one of the best ways to pass time. Answer could be no, I would disagree. Sleeping is one of the best way to keep our body and mind relaxed. And it may also pass your time if you want to simply waste your time. Next point is it is right to act according to one's dreams. Answer would be yes, I would agree. Certain doctors have found that one's dream often reveal a great deal about one's problems, and that if understood correctly, they can provide a key to the solution of those problems. Remember students, our dream cannot be used as a way to tell the future. Here is the drafted answers and questions of this lesson, which would be uploaded on class WhatsApp group. Here I have drafted some questions based on this chapter, and you have to write the answer on your own.